What's up, everybody? It's your boy Mark. Got another video for y'all, man. I thought I would start, oh snaps, what was that? Thought I would start what I be doing, man. Sorry about that. Oh, snaps. But, yeah, I thought I'd start recording, man, showing y'all. I'm about to redo my Monte Carlo. I got an 82 Monte Carlo. I'm about to redo it. Show y'all what I got here. I got my, I don't know. Well, it's on the other side. But I got a 6.0 LS right here. Been over to my homeboy house for shit. Been in his garage for about 4 years, probably. I don't know. He been in that mug for a minute. Excuse me. But anyway, I decided to go get it. Go ahead and get it. Go ahead and put it together. And go ahead and put it in my Monte Carlo. I got an 82 Monte Carlo. Then I got a 5.3 4L60 in. But I got this 6.0 LS. I already put the sloppy stage 2 cam in it, but I'm going to take it out because as y'all can see, the cylinder walls are a little rusty. So I'm going to take the pistons out and ball hone it, clean it up, you know, get it ready. So I can put some, put the heads on it. Here go one of the heads I got for it. It's a 862, yeah, 862 head. I already put the pack, whatever, beehive springs on it for the stage 2 cam. I got a 4L60E transmission right there to go with it. It had the fixed yoke in it, but I already took it and made it slip yoke. So, yeah, it's already slip yoke. I just got the bolt in there. I had that one, but as you can see, I cracked the bell housing on that. But anyway, that's one of the videos I had. But yeah, excuse me. Yeah, I'm about to, like I say, I'm about to take this off the truck, get it on the engine stand, and I'm gonna bring y'all back. Hold on. Yeah, I'm back, y'all. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. But I just want to let y'all see that it is a 6.0. Like I said, I'm gonna take it apart, hone them cylinders out. What the hell is that? I don't know, some kind of bug, but hone them cylinders out, clean it up. You got a lot of surface rust. I got something to clean that up with. Surfaces up real good. And I got a scratch. Oh, it ain't no scratch. Okay. It did have them taped up, but as y'all can see, that didn't mean shit. But make sure I chase all the holes out. I don't need no mishaps. I hadn't had that one on another 6.0 I had. But yeah, that's it. Like I say, bring y'all on my little journey of refreshing. Cause I ain't gonna change nothing. I'm gonna take it apart, put it right back together, and show y'all, like I say, 6.0, sloppy stage 2. Cause eventually I wanna, like I say, I'm gonna change this motor out eventually too. So that's why I really ain't tripping. But like I say, this your boy Mark. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and keep it pushing.